This 2014 Forest River Rockwood Freedom 1940 Ltd is a pop-up RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 20 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 6, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, LP detector, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Forest River Rockwood Freedom 1940 Ltd is 1,493 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.